Sinatawag ng tawag dito.
Opo, tama na.
Dito pa nga. Sige, yaman na. Okay pa, sister.
Hi, friends.
Hi, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Hi, ma'am.
Makikirado mo muna. May crabs muna.
Walang patay. Bossing, buka lang. Teka lang po, atras lang konti.
Atras lang po kasi wala na po.
Kaya lang si mama lang madaan. Pabuksan ko lang dito.
Guys, may dadaan pa tayo.
Meron pa raw, gadaan.
Guys,
Huwag mababasag isa lang ito. Huwag masyado ito.
padaanin niyo muna. May container pa dito. May container pa dito.
Salamin, mababasag ito. Ayusin nyo nga.
Atras muna kayo. Atras niyo muna. Unity yan. Unity yan.
I will formally receive the complaint.
Usapan din siya po.
Plus the other complainants.
Mas baka bumagsak yung lamesa. Bumagsak yung lamesa.
Complainants dito.
Atras lang po.
Picture lang.
Oh, yung mga cellphone, atras lang po. Bumagsak yung lamesa. Walang ikaw.
Sira na yung ano eh.
Atras po, atras po.
Trukan nyo. Boss, mabagsak yun. Tulong mo na doon. Huwag yung ano.
You have all the time in the world. So huwag kayo masunahan. Okay? Kaya kunan mo isa. Bigay ng
Palitan lang.
Walang upo dyan.
Cellphone boss, sinasave na.
Oh, ulo.
Verified complaint for impeachment signed by 17
Uy, kami. Ante, ikaw na dyan.
Julie
Uy, mga cellphone nyo. Sabi nyo muna.
Mon.
by grounds for impeachment under the Constitution and also the rules of impeachment of the House of Representatives and 24 articles of impeachment ang enumerate and discuss under those 4 or 5 basic grounds for impeachment and duly endorsed by Representative Percy Sendanya. So ito na po.
Atras po ng cellphone.
nabasa ko na po kanina, yung mga complainants kanina, has assisted.
Para malaman.
Baka po ulitin na po natin, since nakatayo naman po dito sa harapan yung complainants, pakilala na lang po muli tayo. Simulan po natin siguro dito.
Eugene Gonzalez.
Yvonne Herrera from Magdalo.
Padali nyo. Padali nyo.
Father Robert Reyes from Clergy for Good Governance.
Okay
na kayo?
Father Flavie Villanueva, SVD po.
Section, ito po yung mga complainants natin. Ito po yung verified complaint. At nandito po yung resolution of endorsement mula sa Akbayan Party List. So, ang important po natin, ito pong mga brave and courageous citizens who's making this historic impeachment complaint against the Vice President. Sana po sa pamamagitan ng complaint na ito, maisara na natin yung bangungot na dulot ng ating pong Vice President sa taong bayan. Maisara na ng taong bayan ang bangungot na dulot ni Sara.
Buka na. Kamay. Di akin yan.
At yan po
Buka na, para maganda yung shot.
Patras na konti.
Tapos naman, kami lang yung photos.
Para makakuha yung ano.
Tayo na kape. Okay na kayo? Okay na. Wala na maayos eh. Buka na kayo, kami naman oh. Buka na, baka makita kami. Buka na konti. Pwede na kayo? Ulo. Cellphone po. Ay nako, kasi nako pa ulit.
Sorry. Pabuka lang po. Wait lang po at isuyo. Buong network tong dala-dala to.
Sorry. Today, the Office of the Secretary
Ulo.
General received an impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte filed by civil society groups. The House of Representatives is constitutionally mandated to act on any impeachment complaint filed in accordance with the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Pursuant to the Constitution, a verified complaint for impeachment may be filed by any member of the House of Representatives or by any citizen upon a resolution of endorsement by any member thereof. It is crucial to underscore that addressing an impeachment complaint is not a discretionary act for the House of Representatives, but a constitutional obligation. The Constitution prescribes clear steps to ensure fairness and adherence to the rule of law. Impeachment proceedings are vital to preserve the integrity of the institution and affirming the principle that public officials are accountable to the people they serve. Accordingly, the House of Representatives will proceed with its duties on this matter, strictly adhering to the Constitution, its rules, the principles of due process. The House of Representatives remains committed to conducting the proceedings with transparency, impartiality, and full respect for the rule of law. The constitutional mandate is a vital function of Congress in maintaining public trust in government institutions. we call on all parties to allow the legal process to take its course, ensuring that truth and justice will prevail. Thank you.
The rules of impeachment by the House of Representatives. And yung committee ho, the Committee on Justice, they are allotted a period of 60 days within which to come up with a resolution, either a resolution adopting the complaint or adopting or setting forth the articles of impeachment, or a resolution of denial of the grounds for impeachment. And alam din po natin na under the Constitution and the rules of the House of Representatives, pwede rin yung mismong House of Representatives, diretso na nila yan na gagawin by a vote of 1/3 of the members of the House. Sa committee level, majority po ang required para magkaroon ng resolution of impeachment with the articles of impeachment. The committee actually would not be bound totally by what the complainants have presented. They can choose to adopt all the grounds, or they can choose to just select several grounds.
Sapaw sa
Alin ang sapaw? Luwag po tayo, luwag tayo.
Bigay na lang kayo kasi mabati kami. Mabati kami, sige.
Sorry.
Bababa to, bababa.
Ibaba po yung cellphone. Ibaba ko lang po yung cellphone. Bati kami, magpapito kayo lahat. Sige na.
Alam ko po matagal tayo naghihintay, pasensya na po. Pero sa ngayon po, ang status ay hinihintay natin ang ating Secretary General para po i-receive yung impeachment complaint na ating po mga private complainants, mga citizens at civil society leaders na narito ngayon. Para po ipakilala yung mga complainants, sinatawagan ko po si Senator Laila D.
Okay. Ito pong complaint for impeachment ay pinirmahan ng 17 complainants. Yung mga galing sa civil society organizations, galing din sa religious sector, galing din sa ibang grupo. But they are filing all of these signatories, 17 signatories, are filing this in their personal capacity, even if they are members of various groups or of various party lists, etc. So, ito po, 17 po sila. Ang mga nag-file po ay sila former Secretary King Deles, former Secretary King Deles, Father Flaviano Villanueva, SVD, Gary Alejano of the Magdalo, and Alice Murphy as the Urban Poor Group, Francis Aquino D, that's Kiko D, Mr. Eugene Louis Gonzalez, Doc Sylvia Estrada Claudio, Lea Lopez Navarro, Rowena Amon, Mr. Randy Francisco de los Santos, that's the uncle of Kian de los Santos, a victim of the EJK, Ms. Filomena Cinco, Mr. Teodoro Teddy Lopez, Sister Susan Santos Esmile, SFIC, Mary Grace de Guzman, Sister Mary Grace de Guzman, Father Robert Reyes, Miss Maria Yvonne Cristina Teresa. So those are supposed to be 17 signatories.
Ma'am, ground for impeachment?
Ang grounds po ng impeachment, bale 5 po. It was actually condensed into 4 grounds as indicated in the articles of impeachment, pero 5 po sila. So out of the 6 grounds for impeachment laid down in the Constitution, 5 po yung grounds. Culpable violation of the Constitution, graft and corruption, bribery, betrayal of public trust, and other high crimes. So ang wala lang na ground for impeachment is treason. So majority of the grounds are present. And there are a total of 24 articles of impeachment as discussed in the 33 page complaint. So among the articles po are the misuse, the failure to account, the intel and confidential funds of both the Office of the Vice President and also of the Department of Education. And nandiyan yung kanyang mga threats, yung kanyang mga rants during the press con in October 18 and the second one in November 2024. Because these are very unbecoming and these are actually betrayal of public trust because these are also high crimes. Yung kanyang mga threats doon sa latest na mga rant niya o kanyang mga meltdown. Meron din as an article about her involvement also in the extrajudicial killings during her term as mayor of Davao City. There are other grounds. Let me just so that I can be very sure of this. I'll just read from the complaint.
Complainant din po kayo, ma'am?
No, I did not sign as a complainant. I'm supporting this move, and at the same time, I was designated by the group as a spokesperson. But there are actually two signatories who are part of the ML, or Mamamayan Liberal, in the same manner that there is a signatory part of Magdalo and a signatory part of Akbayan. And the endorser is Congressman Percy of Akbayan.
Based on your information, where is the Secretary General? O for sure ba, i-receive ngayon ng Office of the Secretary General yung impeachment complaint niyo?
Opo, yun po ang ano namin. Pinapahintay nga po kami. Kasi I think he's attending to another official duty of his. So his staff told us to just wait for him. So this will definitely be filed today.
Okay.
And then, you know, that another article is the respondent left DepEd with nearly 7 billion pesos in unliquidated cash advances.
Nakaraang linggo na may mga sinabi ang Malacanang at ilang political leaders na huwag daw pong ituloy. Linawin po natin ang loyalty po ng mga kasama natin ng mga civil society leaders ay sa taong bayan. Hindi po madidiktahan ang mga progresibong puwersa na gustong i-hold accountable si Vice President Sara Duterte.
Sir, pero
How hopeful are you, sir, na may number kayo?
super majority pa rin yung ano.
Sa araw na ito, we are here in the House of Representatives bravely supporting the petition of citizens kasi naniniwala tayo na ito ay responsibilidad ng ating pong institusyon. They have to give this complaint a fair chance and a fair day in court. Mahalaga po itong impeachment complaint na ito para simulan na yung totoo na step process towards holding the Vice President accountable. Simple lang naman po ang kailangan natin tandaan. Kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa?
May oras pa po ba? Magkakampanya na rin, sir.
Naniniwala po tayo kapag gusto, may paraan. At yung paraan po na yon ay paraan para panagutin ang mga nang-aabuso sa kapangyarihan at ninanakawan ng taong bayan.
Sir, what if the Congress would fail to act on it? The Congress would fail to act on it this year. Would you, are you willing to file it by next year?
Magsisimula na po kasi yung pag-activate ng process sa pag-file natin ngayon. No? And Congress will have to go through the process of referring it to the responsible committee, the Committee on Justice. As to the timeline, we leave it to the leadership of Congress. Pero kalakip nito yung reminder that we are duty-bound in this House of Representatives to give this complaint a fair day.
But sir, it's a numbers game pa rin.
Yung mga endorser?
Numbers game pa rin kasi siya.
Ano yung numbers niyo? May numero ba kayo, sir?
Naniniwala tayo na matindi yung merits ng ating impeachment complaint. At naniniwala din tayo dito sa mga kasama natin sa Kongreso, pag nakita nila na malakas itong ating complaint, malakas itong kasong ito, they will support it.